Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you some of the things that I have recently picked up from the Amazon Great Republic Day sale, which is ongoing right now, and you should definitely make good use of the sale that is going on. So without wasting any time, let's get started with what all I've picked up. I've actually picked out a lot of things. They are lying on the bed besides me, but I'm going to divide my haul into two parts. One is going to be today, which is going to be half the things that I got, mostly western clothing today, and the remaining Indian clothing like saris and suits I'm going to share in another video, which is going to come up in the next 2 to 3 days. So let's get started with what all I've picked up during the Amazon Great Republic Day sale, and I'm going to leave the links to all of the products in the description box down below in case you're interested in picking up any of them. And also remember that all of these are on great discounts right now. You can save a lot of money when you're buying them right now because they are on a good amount of discount on Amazon. And another thing, I have done an Amazon brand haul this time. All the products are from Amazon brands. Amazon has their own range of brands on Amazon, obviously, and under these brands they retail a lot of Indian clothing, western clothing, even kitchen items like cookware also. So this time I've done a haul only for Amazon clothing for females, and I've divided it into two: Indian clothing and western clothing. I've honestly been keeping a track of all the Amazon brands on Amazon, but I wanted to buy them and do a quality check also, quality assessment also, because a lot of these products are on a very good price. Like some of these things are at around under 300 rupees. So I'm going to leave the prices of all the products down here, and I really wanted to check the quality of all of these products because when they are selling these products at such a good price, I really wanted to know whether they are worth it or not. And I think I have made up my mind. A lot of these products are really good, despite the fact that they are at such a good price. They are really good. I really love the quality of all of the products, except for a thing here or there. So without further ado, let's get started. Also guys, my throat is really bad today. I'm under the weather, and my cold and cough, so I think my voice will also sound different in this video. I apologize for that in advance. First thing that I'm going to start with is a pair of denims. Now this is Amazon brand symbol, where they have a lot of denims and bottoms and a lot of things like that. And I've picked up this plain, simple, classic blue pair of denims. This is a slim fit denim, and the good thing is that it fits me really well. The fabric is also really good. It's a nice soft fabric. It doesn't poke your skin anywhere. The MRP is 2199, and I'm going to leave the price at which I got it over here. So this is what it is. Very comfortable to wear, sitting, bending, no problem. Really nice, and I love the color. There is no wash on it. It's a plain classic blue denim. Next I have this white top from Eden and Ivy. This again, all the brands that I have today are Amazon brands. This is from Eden and Ivy. These are Amazon in-house brands, and this is what it looks like. It's a really good quality polyester top. Yes, it's not cotton. This is polyester, and it has a nice thick fabric lining on the inside. So that's the good thing, that it's white, but it has a nice thick lining on the inside, so you don't need to wear an additional spaghetti on the inside to reduce the transparency. It's very comfortable to wear, and it has this layered frill detailing over here, which makes it really interesting. It's perfect for summers with the nice floral print on white. It's a really good. The MRP is 1299, and honestly, if I were in a mall or I was out shopping somewhere, I will pick it up for 1299 because the quality is really good. But I got it for this much, and can you believe that? Next, again back to symbol, and this is another workwear, work appropriate top. It is a rust colored top polyester, but it has these stripes, white stripes on it, and button detailing on both the shoulders. Again, a very good quality top. You can feel that the fabric is good quality, and a heavy fabric, soft but heavy. This one again retails for 1399, but I got it again on a very good discount. I love the feel of the fabric on my skin. It's a really good quality top again, and you can wear it with white pants or black pants, any which way you like. Next is this again a polyester top from Symbol, sleeveless. It has a zip closure at the back. This is a plain mint green, and it has an asymmetric hem, so it is high on one side and low on the other side. Gives a handkerchief kind of a feeling on one side, which makes it really interesting for work wear. It's simple and basic, but it has a little drama on one side. The quality is good, but there's one complaint that I have. These extra folded fabric on the inside, I will have to give it to my tailor to get it stitched on the inside, because these are sometimes they are coming out from both the sides, so a little work over there. But otherwise the quality and the fitting and everything is really good, and I really like it. So I'm going to give this to my tailor for a little bit of work, and then we are good to go. Next I have a shirt dress, again from Symbol. A lot of these clothings are from Symbol. This is a shirt dress, a cotton shirt dress, and a very good quality, thick cotton. It is not transparent at all, and you really do not need a lining inside. It's not transparent at all. It opens completely on the front with the buttons. It has a belt which you can tie and accentuate your waist. This retails for 2299, and I will definitely pick it up for 2299 because the quality and the fabric is really good. I love the color. It's a very pretty peachy pink. Next I have this pair of pants that I've picked up. Now I don't wear a lot of colored pants usually, but this time I decided to go in with this one because this was one, it was at a very good price, and two, I love the color, and when I wore it I think I totally fell in love because the fabric is so good, feels so good, and I'm short in height, but this one it fits me really well, so I don't really need to do any alterations. That's why I think when I received this, I totally fell in love in the very first minute. This again is from Symbol, and the MRP is 1299. Really good quality. The fabric is not transparent at all. It has pockets on the sides, and the good thing is that it has a belt in the front which you can tie. If you wear it with a crop top, which I haven't done in this video because I've worn all of these clothes together. If you wear it with a crop top, the belt would look, it would come forward and it'll look really interesting. Next is something which I really like. This is a maxi dress from Symbol. Again, the MRP is 2099, but the price was amazing at which I got it. It has this color blocked detailing at the bottom, pockets on the sides, a slit on both the sides. Really good quality polyester maxi dress, and if you wear it with like a nice belt and a necklace, it will look really good. Very comfortable to wear for evenings out. I love the color. I love this nice mauve pink color along with the maroon color block happening at the bottom. Really good quality. I think all of the things that I've shown to you have been amazing till now. There's one thing left which I'm just going to show you. The last thing for this haul is this pair of track pants. This is from their athleisure brand known as Sim Active. So active wear, athleisure wear for exercises, going to the gym, doing your yoga, or just lounging around. This is what I picked up, and again a very good quality pants. pajama pants, you can call it. This is slightly flared at the bottom and it has this detailing on the side, which is really interesting. This again retails for 2199. Really good quality lounging pants for wearing at home or outside, for wearing when you're traveling and you want to be comfortable. So that was all for my Amazon brand haul from the Amazon Great Republic Day sale, which is ongoing. I hope you guys enjoyed this and you got an idea about the quality of things that you get when you buy from Amazon in-house brands that are available on Amazon. The things that I've shown to you in this video, they're at a great price, and the good thing is that all of them are of very good quality, so you can go ahead and buy them without thinking twice. Just go ahead and buy them. Links to all of the products are going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check them out. And that's about it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and wait for part 2, where I'm going to share all the suits and saris and kurtis and things like that from Amazon brands again. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.